Imagine this, you're streaming your favorite game on Beam, and suddenly, your earnings start to appear in a currency you don't understand. It's confusing, right? Well, don't worry, because today, we're going to walk you through the steps to change your Beam currency. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly understand why changing your Beam currency might be important. For starters, it can help you keep track of your earnings more easily. If you're from a country where Beam's default currency isn't the local one, converting it can make your income more relatable. Plus, it can also be useful if you're planning to withdraw your earnings and want to see the amount in your local currency. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your Beam currency. Log into your Beam account. The first step is to log into your Beam account using your username and password. Navigate to your profile. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Find the currency settings. In your profile settings, you should find a section related to your account settings. Look for an option that allows you to change your currency. It might be labeled something like currency or payment settings. Select your desired currency. Click on the currency option and select the currency you want to use. You should see a list of available currencies. Save your changes. After selecting your desired currency, make sure to save your changes. This will update your Beam account to use the new currency for all future transactions. Additional tips. Check your local currency. Before selecting a currency, make sure it's available in your region. Beam might not support all currencies, so it's important to verify first. Consider exchange rates. If you're changing your currency, be mindful of exchange rates. Fluctuations in exchange rates can affect your earnings. Contact Beam support. If you're having trouble changing your currency or have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact Beam's support team. They can assist you and provide further guidance. Changing your Beam currency is a simple process that can make managing your earnings much easier. By following these steps, you can quickly update your currency preferences and ensure that your income is displayed in a way that's most meaningful to you. So, if you've been wondering how to change your Beam currency, now you know. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your streaming experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.